This is the Super Pro Ultrasound Therapy Machine. Here is everything that comes in the box. In the center is the main unit, your control panel, 2 probes marked 1 MHz and 3 MHz, a power cable, a universal adapter, a tube of ultrasound gel, a padded carry bag with a shoulder strap, and your instruction manual. The 1 MHz probe reaches deeper muscle, which is good for back, shoulder, or thigh. The 3 MHz works closer to the surface, which is ideal for wrist, elbow, skin, and scar tissue. Pick the one that matches your need. Now, connect the power cable, flip the switch at the back, press power on the front. The display lights up and you're ready. Set your session time with the plus and minus buttons. Choose your mode. The continuous mode gives steady warmth for tight muscles. The pulse and wave modes are gentler. Select your probe, 1 or 3 MHz. The light confirms it. Set the intensity low and raise it slowly to a comfortable level. Apply a good amount of ultrasound gel. The gel carries the sound waves into your skin. Keep the probe flat and move it in slow, small circles. Never hold it still. When you're done, set the intensity to 0, then wipe clean. Avoid the eyes, heart, a pregnant belly, and broken skin. If you have a health condition, check with your doctor first. That's it. Simple relief whenever you need it. Buy this at snapshophub.com.